So the question is it right for you? And one thing that we want to talk about are the 3 parts of your business model. And those should be built on serving your target customer with excellence, utilizing your resources wisely, and achieving the goals that you've set for yourself. In our business model, our target customer is a woman named Angela. So Angela is a female mother. She has about 2.5 children. It works, it's okay. And she lives within 2 miles of our laundromat. She rents her housing, and she knows that the world is set up against her because everywhere she goes, she finds friction. And so in finding friction, that creates more work for her. 2.5 kids is hard enough if anybody has 2.5 kids. So what we do is we try to make sure that Angela's self-service laundry is as frictionless and smooth of a process as possible. And so that's how we have been able to build the business model that we have based on this specific target customer. You can segment your market many, many ways, but we have decided that the person that we are focused on serving is Angela, and by serving her well, we also serve other customers well who do not fit maybe her demographic.